Assalamu alaikum everybody and have a nice day. I am Muhammad from Philippines and I would like to share my story about engraving machine. I have a lot of work using engraving marble. I am using more than 150 pieces of marble a month. My work always was delayed due to the marble engraving not in time, so I decided to buy engraving machine. The machine delivered to me since 1 month ago. I am able to engrave a lot of marble for my work. I was surprised when the machine delivered to me that I cannot operate the machine, so I contact the team of JCUT and they are supporting and helping me until in very short time I am able to know how to operate the machine by very good way and produce a lot of work engraving of marble. It was a very happy moment that I know how to operate the machine and use the program. This is the panel board, which is the machine is very easy to operate. I am now work with JCUT machine 6090 brand or model. I know how to make the start point. I know how to design my engraving. I know how to operate X, Y, Z. I never before using engraving machine, and now I can say I can use it very good in very short time by the help and support of the team of JCUT. This is one of my work right now. As you see, I able to engrave a lot of marble in a short time, and this is helping me so much, so my work no more delayed. I'm trying to keep my machine shape. I try to keep my machine safe and take care from it and the maintenance in a time. Thank you so much, JCUT and the team of JCUT. What I can say about this machine, in my opinion, it's not a toy, it is a real machine. Muhammad from Philippines.